Welcome back to the channel, and look at these cabbage. Look at these big cabbage I got from the food pantry today. It's 4 of them. I took my cousin's some. Sorry for the bags making so much noise. But look how pretty they are. Can't believe they gave these away at the pantry today. My cousin gave me what is that on my finger? Oh, paint. I'm also painting. My cousin gave me a jar of her cranberry sauce that she canned. Looks so pretty. Got 4 cabbages I got 4 cabbage from the food pantry. Looks so pretty. Honey bombs. Let's see, it says sweet honey crunch flavor. Tomatoes. Honey bomb. Sunset. They look pretty, but sweet honey. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What is that? Looks like something was growing on there. Is that mold? That looks funny. On that vine. Almost looks like something from outer space. Are they real? I don't know. But yeah, we got cabbage. And we got Cosmic Crisp apples. I got 2 bags. I actually had double all of this food pantry haul today. I took it to my cousin. We got a snowstorm. Hey you guys, I'm sorry. I got the sniffles, but we got the big one today. And I'm actually out here, so I hope I can get my vehicle out. Like my car. She didn't feel like getting out, so plus she didn't think it was going to happen today. Hey, the apples are organic. Yay. My great-grandson is going to love these. What I'm going to do is cut them up. I'm going to cut up him a whole little bowl full. And I'll put I'll squeeze fresh lemon juice to preserve them until I get them over to his house. Yeah, we got a snowstorm. And I'm painting. I'm getting my place together, you guys. I'm painting. Oh, and I wanted to show you this cool little item that I found from the Goodwill. Well, I don't have to move it. Right here. Isn't that cute? That's a cute little canister. It's ceramic. Come from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid $2 for it. Goodwill. Holding my coffee next to the Keurig. So, yeah, I'm just trying to get my little spot together here. Oh, and I also got a picture today from, it came in the mail today. I ordered a whole bunch of prints like this. This one was framed. Actually, I thought I was ordering the frameless, but it came framed. I have been wanting this picture for a long time. And as you can see, look what the food resembles. Y'all, look what the fruit resembles. To me, that's speaking that the fruit gives us life. Yeah, I ordered that from Temu. I also got my mirror hung and my one picture hung over there. Just trying to start a little small gallery wall there with my prints and my mirror. Back to the food pantry haul. We got apples, these big beautiful cabbage, and we got the honey bomb tomatoes. If you like this haul, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider. Love, peace, light. See you in the next video. Goodbye.